Hey guys, this is Koh Tao at night. We are sitting at the beach. There you see another guy spinning his stuff. Just learned how to spin the stuff and try to act like the coolest guy on the island, trying to attract like Nordic ladies. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Koh Tao Pier, and you see, maybe you might see the shark-like fishes over there, just feeding in the morning. Lemmy is too excited to see them. Lemmy, don't go in the water. So,
hello.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
What are your opinions about the island so far?
So far, well, the local people are not very kind, but also I cannot blame them because the quality of the tourists or the people that are coming here for tourism is very low. So it's not really a nice environment. And also, the whole island is basically based on tourism. Like, it is very difficult to communicate with the local people. Most of the things that we've been having in our trip, like during my stay here, it has nothing to do with this island. And we actually opted for this island. We didn't want to go to bigger islands, thinking that it will be more touristic. Well, it might be a mistake. It's a nice island, but it's well exploited, and we're gonna try to see the other side of the island today, and then see if we can find something more authentic, because this is not exactly what we came for.
Hey guys, we are almost at top of the island, and I think we are the only one around to come up to this far. We can see the hill. It's one of the highest point of the island. There you see the shark island, where you can dive with little bull sharks. There's no need for us to go down, because as you can see, the island is divided into resorts and all covered with concrete roads, pavements. It's a beautiful island. It has been inhabited until the Second World War, and then a couple of fishermen arrived to the island and settled up there. Then Thailand authorities, I think, they thought to make a diving holiday resort on this island. So if you guys ready, we're gonna take the big downhill with Lemmy. Lemmy, you ready? Ha? Hazır mısın Lemmy? tourist attraction on the island. Poor gibbon friend is tied up to these trees and spending his time every day here. Look at this beautiful creature. And this is the last spot I was curious about in Koh Tao Island, the artist village. I'm not quite sure what's about, and now we're gonna go and check.